Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick repair to our steps. So let's get right into it. All right, so I built these steps probably got like 2, maybe 3 years ago, if that. And so I bought the treated wood for exterior and everything, and I got the actual what do you call these? The risers for the steps, and then I just cut the boards to fit, and I had them painted, but of course the paint started to wear off, so I got to do that. But I was stepping out here the other day, and look at this. As I was stepping down, you see that actually the wood's starting to split apart. See? So I thought, well, I need to replace that board, but I thought, you know what? Let me give it a try to see if I can't just force some glue down into these seams, press it back together, see if I can't get this actually repaired as opposed to just having to replace it. So that's what we're going to do. So let me get a knife. So I'm using this liquid nails. Says interior, exterior, all-purpose adhesive. I found this in my shed. I don't know how long I've had it, but it's been around for a little bit. So yeah, we'll use that. I think actually I probably need to puncture the membrane on the top of it. Oh man, I've had this more than a couple years, so it's yeah. This thing's hard as a rock, at least up at the front. Let me cut into this and see if it's even worth salvaging any. It'll be a one use. Okay, yep, it'll be a one use. So the middle part's still good. So we'll get some use out of it. All right. So what I want to do, literally, I'm just going to be just grabbing some glue here, and I'm just going to press it down into these, force it down into these seams, and hopefully that will allow me to then press it together and save this. So just literally how much this thing actually forced down in there. We'll do our darndest. Don't know how far down in the seams I got, but I got down just a little bit. Okay. was just going to take a board, put it on the back side of it, take a board, put it on the front side of it, and we'll clamp that down. Clamp here. I think I got another one of these. I gotta find it. Okay, got that. Now I'll just tighten this up. Yep, you can see it squeezing out. That's good. Just like that. Okay, so we'll let that dry and then we will come back out and check it, see how well it's done, and we will go from there. All right, so now I've given that plenty of time to dry. Let's feels pretty good. Let's go ahead and loosen this up here. Okay, get that off there. Looks like let's see. That did it. A little bit of glue did the job. I just need to put a coat of paint on that and then I should be good. Hopefully I can keep these boards last for a few more years. So there we have it. If you like what I did there, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and until next time,